Hello everyone, this is Jordan from PINEXL.com and today I'm going to show you how to use and update our income versus expense Excel spreadsheet template. As in all our templates, no macros, VBA or add-ins have been used. This means that it can be comfortably used even by less advanced users. Also, this template is completely unlocked, which means that you can change anything you want in order to adapt it according to your specific needs. Let's see what can be found here, how does it work and how to update it. When you first open the workbook, you will notice that as with all our other products, there are no sheet tabs available. This is because they are hidden, so that the view of the file is as close to a modern standalone application as possible. The user can navigate the file via the navigation pane on the left, and of course if you want, you can easily unhide the sheets. The first sheet is the monthly overview. The bigger part of the view here is taken by two large charts. The first one shows the profit for each month, represented by the blue bars, while the line shows the accumulated profit throughout the whole period. In the second chart, the total monthly income and expense values can be seen. In this view, there is also additional information available at the top and bottom side, like total profit, total and average income and expense values, as well as the most and least profitable items, months and categories. Basically everything you would need to get a quick impression of the overall performance. Next, we navigate to the second sheet, where we find an impressively designed, detailed view of the monthly performance. At the top, we have a spark line, comparing the income and expense levels for all available periods. Next, we have a donut chart, which shows the actual income and expense levels, as well as the profit percentage in the middle. On both sides of the donut chart, there are two bar charts, for income on the left and for expense on the right, which display the actual versus planned amount. There you can also see the additional detailed information in currency and percentage formats. Here you can see that the text color on some of them is dynamic to represent the performance. For example, if the actual versus planned income percentage is less than 100%, the text is red. Next we have area charts, which display the actual versus planned performance for the whole period. At the bottom there are bar charts, which show the actual versus planned performance on an item level. All these charts are controlled with a single slicer in the middle of the sheet. The next view provides more detailed information on an item level. The big bar chart displays the monthly actual versus planned amount for a selected item. The color of the bars is dynamic and changes based on whether the planned amount has been reached or not. It is also dependent on the item type, meaning that if an income item is over the planned amount, the bar will be green. If, however, an expense item is over the planned amount, it will be red. Additional information is also available at the top, like category and highest and lowest monthly amounts. Next is the data input sheet. Here the user needs to only add the month, choose the item from the drop-down menu and add the actual and planned amounts. Everything else is filled in automatically. Next come the general settings. In this sheet, the user adds the item and their properties. From here also the menu titles can be changed. Here you can see that there are two rows which are left empty. This is because there are two additional sheets added in the structure of the template, which can be used for custom reports. To display them in the navigation pane, just type in a name in the empty row and it will be displayed. Next is the mechanics sheet, where all pivot tables and calculations are stored for the visualizations. If you add any tables, make sure to do it at the end after all currently available tables. Also make sure to not delete any columns or move the charts around, in order to keep the template working without errors. Finally, a detailed instruction sheet is available for your convenience. Now let's see how this template can be updated. First we'll add data for a new period. Simply go to the data input sheet, add the new month, choose the item from the drop-down menu and the actual and planned amounts. It is important to point out here that for each month you need both income and expense amounts for the calculations to work properly. Now just go to the data and refresh all, in order to refresh the pivot charts and tables. And this is it. Everything has been updated automatically and the new period is available in all visualizations. To add a new item, we need to go to the General Settings menu and add it in the first table together with its properties. After that, the new item will be available from the drop-down menu. That's it. As you can see, it is very easy and straightforward to work with our income versus expense template. And at the same time, it provides amazing visualizations and insight for your data. So don't hesitate and download your copy today. Also, don't forget that this dashboard is completely unlocked and no macros or add-ins have been used. All you need is just Microsoft Excel 2010 or newer. If you like this, make sure to check out our website and YouTube channel for more dynamic Excel dashboards and templates. This was Jordan from PINEXL.com. Thank you very much for watching.